Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you my top 5 best Shopify apps to increase sales. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let's get right into it. So for us to begin with, what you can do is you can open your Shopify account and you can go to Shopify App Store that can be found in your settings under apps. And here, once you click on the App Store, you will be routed into this page where there are already recommended applications for you to help your business grow and for your business to improve with your online store that you have created here using Shopify. So, for us to begin, as you can see, there are a lot of informations or applications that you can take advantage for this platform. This is actually, or these are applications that would help your business improve for better and for your customers. So first application here is Judge Me products. So this is an application where this collects and displays product reviews and star ratings, where this will help boost your customers um, confidence or boost sales rather with knowing the reviews that your online store has using this application. So this will help them as well create a decision where based on the reviews that they will see in your online store, this will help them decide whether they will wish to purchase the product or not. So another or the second application here is Assortion. This is an upsell and bundles application where this is at $9.99 a month, where you don't need to worry. They also offer a 14-day free trial for you to try it out, since this application will definitely help increase your AOV with frequently bought together cross sales, volume discount, post purchase offers, and a lot more products. So, this would help your business or boost your business more, since this would um, it would advertise or it will recommend to the customers what are the different products that are frequently bought, and it also shows you power analytics as well, or what are the status of your product using this application. So it's just for $9.99, but you can try it out for 14 days for you to try. And for the third application that we will tackle for today, this is Sweet Upsell. This is another upsell application where it is quite pricey with $29.99 per month, but there's also a 7-day free trial. But no worries, as you can see with the ratings and reviews, this is also a highly recommended application, since Sweet Upsell is an automatic upsell app that works in the native checkout with all payment providers. So it actually helps you easily, since it already offers payment providers where it helps your um, online store be more productive, where it's less hassle with working all the payment processes, and it is also not complicated to set up, so you can definitely make use of this for your online store, where it's easy to understand and it's simply just plug and play for this application on your online store. So here you can see the features as well that you can make use for this application, where it optimized display beautifully rather on this. So it actually has an annual rate which is much lesser. It's less than $20 per month. It saves you 30% from the monthly subscription as we compare it here. Here are also the ratings, where it's at 4.6 ratings that you can look into the account. And the fourth application that we will talk about today is Uplinkly Sticky Cart. So this is an application where it shows you sticky add to cart buttons on your product pages, where this would definitely increase your sales as well on your online store. And the what good thing here is it actually has a free plan available for you to add into your online store. So this increased sales and also reduced abandonment since the customers can quickly add their products to cart and buy your products. So this will automatically match your store theme with high converting styles, and you can also use our button animator to attract more attention and move the button. And that's actually very simple here, and this also displays the top or bottom of the customer stacks. So it's very easy for you to use here, where it can definitely help you boost your business, especially with the online store here. Customers will easily add their items to cart and they can purchase that later on. Here, as you can see, these are the features that you can take advantage using this application. Here, there's also a free plan, but the good thing here is that it's not that pricey, where it starts at $9 per month with a pro plan. This is also a highly rated application for the Shopify apps. Here, as you can see, it's easy to set up, no messy codings or no codes needed to create this page, and it also matches your themes perfectly. You can customize the colors, text, the actions, and it definitely boosts your sales as well. And that's basically the summary of the Uplinkly Sticky Card. And the last application that we will tackle for today is Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay. This is also a free plan that's available for you, but it is only free, only for 7 days for you to try it out. So this actually will help you understand what visitors are doing on your store and help improve conversions and reduce abandonment. So Lucky Orange can help you understand why your store is getting traffic and why it doesn't convert into sales. So this is actually more like how you will be able to track the coverage of your online store to see on why only a few people are going into your online store and only a few are purchasing as well. So this would definitely help you improve your online store so much more, so that it would increase your sales as well. So this includes heat maps of visitor recordings, chat announcements, surveys, and a lot more. So it comes with a free plan, where if you are just a startup plan, you can just go ahead with choose the $9 per month or $18 for the basic plan, and a lot more. As you can see, there are a lot of reviews or a lot of users that has been using this application as well. So those are my top 5 best Shopify apps that would definitely help you boost or increase your sales here using your Shopify online store. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.